Hey everyone, this is Maisie from Maisie's Meals. Welcome back to my channel. As I promised on my kitchen essential video part 3, I am showing you how to make my yummy jalapeno cheese bread recipe. This bread is so simple to make and it needs a few ingredients. On today's video, I am collaborating with Ethiopia Negash from Lovely at Home. She does a wonderful video on cooking, home decoring, cleaning, patio decoration, skincare, hair care, and more. I love watching her videos and learn a lot from her. Please visit her channel and subscribe, comment, and like. I will leave a link in my description box below for her channel. Please go ahead and check it out. In a large bowl, put 2 cups of warm water and 1 packet of instant yeast and mix it well. And then in another bowl, put 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour. And then make sure you do that. And then put 2 cups of cheddar cheese. And then we're going to add a teaspoon of salt and 1 jalapeno sliced. And then make sure you mix everything well. Then bring your bowl with yeast and water mixture and add your flour mixture into it. Make sure you mix in the yeast, the water, and the flour mixture with wooden spoon or spatula, and make sure everything is mixed in well, just like you see here. And the dough is going to be a little thin. It's not going to be like your regular bread dough, but that's fine. That's how it's supposed to look like. So don't worry about it if it is sticky and thin. And the jalapeno part, the jalapeno makes it really tasty, but if you don't want to put jalapeno, that's fine. You could put other herbs if you want to in place of the jalapeno. So you cover the dough with kitchen towel for 1 hour or until it rises. And I'm using a cast iron skillet here. That's what is good for this bread. And then I am going to, like you see here, oil it really well. Make sure you oil it because we don't want the bread or the dough to stick into the pan. So now the dough is ready. So we're going to transfer it into the skillet like so. As you can see again, the dough is a little thin and sticky, but that's fine. Make sure everything is in the cast iron skillet and just spread out the dough like you see here. I also going to score the bread into 4 places just like this, so it has like some kind of texture, or like you know how when you buy the bread from the store it has that kind of score into the bread. So that's what I'm trying to do here. Once you do that, you just cover the bread with a kitchen towel again, the dough with kitchen towel again, and keep it for about 30 minutes. Now the dough is ready. Preheat your oven at 450, and while the stove is preheating, I am putting some olive oil that mixed in with some garlic powder and just brush it on the top of the bread. This is optional, but it makes the bread really tasty and also crispy on the top. So now I put this in the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes, and it looks like this when it's out of the oven. So let the bread cool for about 10 minutes before you try to take it out of the pan. And then after 10 minutes, you should be able to take it out from the pan and put it on a plate. You see, so simple and easy to take out. And then it looks like this. So before you cut the bread, make sure it all cooled down so it's easier to cut. And this is what it looks like. It's so tasty and beautiful and yummy. So you can use this bread toasted. The next day you can put it in the toaster, you can put it in the oven. You can also make some grilled cheese with it. You can put some avocado on top of it, and it's so tasty to eat with soup because now the weather is cold and we're eating a lot of soup, and this bread goes well with all kinds of soups. On my previous video, you have seen it, that I made a grilled cheese with this bread and served it with tomato soup. I'm going to show you how I made the grilled cheese with this bread. I put some grass-fed butter on a pan, and then once the butter melted, I put some of the bread on the pan, which I have sliced the bread like this and put it like that. And I'm adding some cheddar cheese. The cheddar cheese I am using is shredded cheddar cheese. You could use sliced cheddar cheese or other cheeses that you love, like mozzarella cheese or any cheese that you love. You can also add other things on the bread, like basil, spinach, or more jalapenos to do some kind of panini too. And then once the other side is brown, then you can flip it and to make the other side also brown, and you serve this with your tomato soup or any other soup you love. It's really good. It's really tasty. I know your kids will love it, your family will love it, and you will love it for this weather. This is some kind of comfort food or bread, but it's good to eat with your soup. And also it's better than the ones that you buy from the store. It's good to make it at home. And it's so simple. It needed few ingredients to make. I hope you liked it. So I told you it's going to be simple and easy, isn't it? It's very simple. It needed a few ingredients. The jalapeno, it just gives it that little heat, but not too much. I only used one jalapeno, so it's not bad. But if you don't want the spiciness or the jalapeno, you can take it out. You don't have to add it, but I recommend it. It makes it really tasty and delicious. So if you make this, please let me know. Make sure you put a picture on Instagram or Facebook. You can tag me on it at Maisie's Meals. You also can comment below, like and share my video. And I hope you like this video. And I'll see you next time. Until then, please keep safe and may God bless you and keep you safe. See you on the next video. Bye.